Hey everyone, and thanks for logging back on to the channel. This video is a collaboration. It's a collaboration for a wonderful product that I recently received to show you how you can improve your spaces and make your spaces more functional with items such as the one that I am going to share with you today. While I continue to open the box, I just want to take this opportunity to again say thank you to all who subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I give or provide home decor design and tips. I also do professional staging, and I talk to you about what's called the Color Palette series. The Color Palette series teaches you how to mix and match your colors in order to create a cohesive design, ceiling to floor or floor to ceiling. But what we're doing today in this video is a product review. I also call them product demonstrations. And of course, I always like to show you that the items always come with a handy dandy instruction manual or booklet in the event that you need it. I am just simply taking the items out of the box. What I am going to share with you today is a rolling trolley pants rack. A rolling trolley pants rack. As I continue to take the items out, I am simply just going to put them together. All of the items that you need in order to put the trolley pants rack together is inclusive in the box, to include the smaller device to tighten the screws. So I am just simply looking at the diagram in my lap, taking the poles out or taking the smaller screws out, and I am assembling it. If you are a subscriber to my channel, again, thank you very much for always supporting me. If you are not a subscriber to my channel and you are interested in how you can transform your space to make it not only more beautiful but more functional, then please continue watching, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of these helpful designs and tips that I'll be sharing with you over the next few weeks. Now let me tell you some of the great features about this product. Again, it is a rolling trolley trouser rack. It has 20 storage hangers in order to hang trousers, or you can also hang scarves. Jeans would be ideal. It even has a side bag on the side of the trolley. I'll show you that. As you can see in how I'm putting it together, it is very easy to assemble. It is lightweight so that you can easily move it from space to space. Now, ideally, this trouser rack you could put in your laundry room, but if you are the type of person that like your clothes to air dry outside, you'll easily be able to locate the entire trolley outside to the fresh air, and you don't have to worry about having a place to hang your clothes. Everything will be able to hang right on the trolley itself. The wheels on the trolley do have brakes on them. You can see I'm screwing the wheels in now, so whether you want it to roll or whether you want it to be stationary, you'll have that functionality. All you have to do is to press the brakes and it will lock the wheels in place so that the trolley will not move. What I really like about this trolley, it is 1, lightweight, it is 2, compact, and 3, it holds a lot of items. As I said, it has 20 storage hangers in order to hang the clothes. All of the information pertaining to this product will be in the description box, so you will be able to easily locate the link in order to go ahead and order one for yourself. And as you can see by me sitting in the chair and again assembling this trolley, again, it is very lightweight. It is an iron frame. It has a fabric side bag that goes on it. Of course, the wheels are plastic, but they are very durable and very sturdy, and the trolley will roll with ease. You will see that at the end after I finish assembling it. Now what I'm doing is adding on the side bag. What I'll likely do with the side bag for mine is put smaller laundry supplies in it. What I'm showing you now are the 20 hangers that are there in order for you to add your clothes, whether that's pants, whether that's scarves. I'm just giving you a quick overview of the assembled product before I add clothing to it. And as you can see, it rolls really easily, as I said. So I'm going to now show you how it looks when you add the clothing to the hangers. Okay, as I said before, this is a multifunctional trolley. So you can move it around in different places. I have it positioned right in front of the door of my master bedroom closet. As you can see, you simply take one of the hangers off, thread the pants through the hanger so that it is even on both sides, and you put the hanger back on the trolley itself. These hangers are very durable, very sturdy. So is the trolley itself. As you can see, the ease in moving the hangers forward. I am now reaching for the next pair of pants in order to do the same thing. I have chosen from slacks to jeans just to show you that the trolley itself is very durable. And again, it has 20 hangers, so you'll be able to hang a lot of clothing here on the trolley. Ideally, if your laundry room is big enough, you can easily put this in your laundry room, so as the clothes come out of the washer, you can easily hang them on the trolley to dry. Or you can move this trolley to an outside location, whether that's in your garage or on your back patio or anywhere outside where you want the clothes to have the benefit of air drying. Again, all of the information pertaining to this rolling trolley trouser cart will be in the description box, so make sure you look there for the product information and the link to check this product out for yourself. I'm basically showing you now that the width of the hanger itself allows the thicker clothes to be put on there as well. Let's say if you wanted to double up 2 pair of pants for whatever reason, or if it was like a pair of sweatpants, something that's a little bit thicker, you would be able to easily slide that pair of pants through the hanger as well. I'm just continuing to add slacks onto the trolley cart, and in a few minutes here I'm going to show you with the slacks that I have on here and 1 or 2 items that I'll add, just how easy it is to maneuver this cart around. So don't worry if you have all 20 hangers filled to capacity with the trousers on it, or sometimes you might want to put scarves or something like that. The wheels are still durable where it will allow you to easily pull the cart. I've now pulled out of my closet just a few scarves just to show you. Anything that you wash that you want to air dry, use this cart, use these hangers, just thread it through the same way. And as you can see, I've put a scarf on there and I'm just going to hang it on the end. No matter where you store this cart, whether it's in your laundry room or somewhere else, the cloth organizer will allow you to keep your other supplies close by, handy dandy. I'm just simply putting some fabric spray into the cloth organizer to show you how easy that is to fit in there. And of course, you saw other pouches above the deeper one for smaller items. What I'm demonstrating now is just how easy it is to roll the cart around. Again, that is because the brakes on the wheels are not locked in. If the brakes were locked in, of course, the cart would stay stationary and not move. But I was demonstrating how you can easily fill the cart up with your clothing items and move it from location to another location. Please do check this product out. Again, the info is in the description box. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.